Hi friends, today we will learn about transportation. That means all the different ways we can move from one place to another. Let's go! Land transportation. Car, motorbike, bus, train, bicycle, truck, scooter, water transportation, boat, submarine, ship, air transportation, airplane, rocket, helicopter, hot air balloon, space shuttle. Wasn't that fun? Now you know about land, water, and air transportation. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye!